Hello, I'm Mira and welcome to Flow with Mira. We have a quick flow mat intermediate level, a perfect class if you're pressed for time. So let's go to the mat and let's get going. We're going to start seated. Right, have your back nice and tall and just take a moment to arrive on the floor here. We have our feet parallel, your knees are pointing up. We have the arms underneath the thigh. We lift the spine tall. We grow tall as we inhale. Exhale, drawing that natural corset muscle of ours. One more time, inhale, we grow tall. Exhale. And in breath. Exhale, let's go into the C curve here. Good way to start the day if you're doing this in the morning. Inhale, we lift up. Again, exhale, warming up the spine into the C curve. Inhale, lifting up tall. And last one, exhale, warming up the spine into the C curve. And then lifting ourselves up. And we round down again. We roll back to the floor. Get the sacrum done. Get the lower back done. In breath, arms straighten. Exhale, come up and over forward again. We lift up tall. Let's do that 2 more times. We round. We roll back. Roll back. Roll back. We in breath. Exhale, deepen abdominal and come up and over forward. And lift. Last one. Exhale, we round. We roll back, roll back, roll back, and we stay in that chest lift and lower down. Rest the lower back down. Arms long by the side. Walk the feet closer to the bottom. And go ahead and lower the chest down. Woo, that's a very loud motorcycle. Arms long by the side. Pelvis settle in that neutral position. And firmly press the feet down. Exhale, curling the pelvis, rounding the back. And roll up for the pelvic curl. And bring it up to the bridge. In breath. Exhale, roll down. And release. Again, exhale, roll up. Another great way to warm up the spine. And exhale, roll down. Can never get enough of the pelvic curl. Exhale, roll up again, all the way up to the bridge. In breath, press the arms, lift the pelvis a little higher. Exhale, roll it down. And last one here, I want you to stay up for me, please. Exhale, we roll up, up, and stay. Lift the arms up to the sky, palms facing each other here. Hold the pelvis high, open the arms out to the side for 5. And up, and 4, and back, and 3. And back, and 2, and back, and 1, and back, stay. Turn the palms to your thigh. Take the arms overhead, pressing away, and roll down the spine, away from the arms. Reach the pelvis long. Okay. Bend the elbows into diamond press, or diamond shape here. Lift one leg up to tabletop. Second leg up to tabletop. Squeeze them together. Spine twist supine over to me as we inhale. You may not go as far as you normally do with the arms to the side. Exhale. But I want you to work through your center and work with precision and control. Center. Inhale, over, rotate. Exhale. Center. Inhale, over, rotate. Exhale. 2 more each side. In breath. Exhale. In breath. Exhale. Last one each side. Exhale. And exhale, come back to center. Stay. Extend the arms long overhead. Arms up to the sky for the 100th breath. Inhale, return. Back down. 3 more. Exhale. Inhale, arms up. And return. And press down. Inhale, arms up. And return. Last one here. Inhale, arms up. And return. The 100 is not intermediate without the 100, isn't it? So let's go. And arms up. Press down. Extend the legs up to the sky. or an appropriate height for you. Maybe you want to go lower today. Let's go. In breath, we lengthen the spine. Exhale, we pump. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and inhale. 3, 4, 5. Can we come up a little higher? Yes, we can. Let's go. Up, 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 up. 2 more sets. Last set. And stay. Bend the knees, bend the knees, bend the knees. Grab the shin just above the ankle. Drop the feet a little bit. Curl the chest a little higher. Rock ourselves up. 3, 2, 1. And come up to the rolling like a ball position. Just readjust the position if you need to. Feet are off the floor. Compress the legs here. Lengthen the spine. And let's go. Inhale, we roll to the shoulder. Exhale, we come up and over. Inhale, we roll. Exhale, we come up and over. 3 more. And then back. And 2. And then up. And 1. And then back. Open the legs. Lift the spine. Grow tall. And close the leg back again. Shift your hands just closer towards the knee here. I want you to pull back in the abdominal. Press the leg towards your hands. And we're going to round back. And at a certain point, the legs will float off to the double leg stretch position. We go. Inhale. Reach. Exhale. And exhale. 3 more here. Exhale. 2 more. Exhale. Last one. And stay. Left leg extended forward. Hand on the right knee. Lift the chest up a little higher. Make sure the feet are in the same line. Single leg stretch. We switch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Both legs in, hands behind the head. Extend the left leg again. Rotate to the right side for the crisscross. And change. 2, 3, 4. Last set, 5. 5, come back to center, grab the shin, pull the leg closer to you, rock the bottom up, and rock all the way up. Sitting nice and tall, open the thigh, lift up. Grab the ankle, lift the leg up. Open leg rocker modified. Or preparation, other leg. Spine is nice and tall here. And when you're ready, let's go. We round the back, we roll to the shoulder. We come forward, we lift the spine tall. Again, we round the back to the shoulder. We come forward, lengthen, we grow. Again, we round. And forward, we lengthen. Let's do one more time. And we'll make an attempt to straighten the legs. Can we? Straighten 1. Straighten 2. Or to whatever you can do today. Lifting to the spine. And let's go. We round. We come forward. We lift. Again, we round. We come forward. We lift. And 3 more round. Legs forward. Lift the spine tall. 2 more round. And forward. Lift the spine up. Last one. And forward. Lifting. Legs together for me. Please squeeze them tight. Arms up. Hold for 3, 2, 1. And lower the legs down. And voila. Well done. All right. Straighten the legs in front of you. Dorsiflex. Back is straight. Arms up, open to the side. Spine twist. Over to me first, please. Double breath. Center. Center. We go tall. Keep the legs quiet. And. Last set. Last one. And there. Hands behind you, separate the feet slightly, point the feet. Back support, please. I love back support. Really work on the back and really support the back. So that's what it's called, the back support. Right, hands down, chest open, heels down, lift up. Hinge down. Lift up. And down. 3 more. And down. 2. Last one here. Up. And we come down. Turn your body to me for the side kick. I'm going to do the elbow version here. If it's too challenging for you, go ahead and bring the forearm down to the floor. Have your legs together, lifting up the underneath side, and bring the top arm over. Take the top leg up, dorsiflex. Let's go forward. Inhale, exhale, in-breath, exhale. Two more sets. Last set. Stay back. Lower the forearm down. Adjust. Take the top arm over. Reach diagonally away from the leg. Push down with the arm. Lengthen through the spine. Stay there for 3, 2, 1. Bring the legs together. Bend the knees. Help yourself up. Underneath, I'm reaching up to the sky. And side bend over. And switch. Other side. I'm going to go onto my elbow. You can do on your forearm if you wish to today. Remember to always listen to your body. All right, here we go. Lengthen through the spine. Take the top leg up. Flex the foot. We go forward. And lift this up. And exhale. 2 more sets. Last set. Back. Hold forearm down. Stretch the top arm. Reach the back leg. Stay there. Push the floor away for 3, 2, 1. Come back. Bend the knees. Help yourself up. Reach the underneath arm. And side bend over to the side. Delicious stretch. And let's go to a quadruped for the cat stretches. Align the shoulders and the wrists. Align the knee and the center of the hip. Power through your center. Elongate the spine. Take an in-breath. Exhale, deep curl into abdominals and curl the lower spine and rounding the upper back. And lengthening through the spine. Extend the upper back up and arch. And exhale, we round, we curl. And lengthen through the spine, extend the upper back up. And again, 2 more, exhale. And inhale, extending. And exhale, we round. Inhale, we extend, extend, extend. Come back to center, please. Hold the belly in. Extend one leg out for me. Tuck the toes under. I want you to really curl that tailbone under for me, please. So to activate the lower abs. Power through the arms. Join the other leg out. And let's just stay here in that plank position. Focusing on the lower abdominal lift. Focusing on the spinal elongation. Stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower one knee down. Lower second knee in. Sit back for a moment. And let's go down onto our belly. Stretch the arms forward for the swimming. So reach the legs long. Reach the arm long. Neck is long for me, please. Glide the shoulder blades down. Pick up the belly. Float the legs off the floor. Float the arms off the floor. Right arm, left leg. Left arm, right leg. Right arm, left leg. Left arm, right leg. And we paddle. We in-breath. Exhale. We in-breath. Exhale. Inhale for 5. Exhale for 5. Inhale for 5. Exhale for 5. Last set here. Exhale for 5. We hold everything off the floor. We lower it down. Interlace the hands. Lift the trunk up. Tripod arm stance here. Neck is long. Forearm pressing down, lifting the lower abs up for the single leg kick. We lift the legs off the floor. Glide the shoulder blade down, opening across the front of the chest. Right leg bend. Left and right and left and right and left and inhale and exhale and exhale. There's a double pulse at the end. And inhale and 2 more sets. Last set. And straighten both legs out for me, please. And press them down to the floor. I want you to just let go of the hand grip. Press the forearm down to the floor here. And then glide the shoulder blades. Pick up the lower abs a little bit more here. Take an in-breath. And I want you to pick up the belly and straighten the arms. Lift up a little higher without losing the contraction, the engagement of the back. And lower the elbows down like a sphinx. And then reach up, straighten arms. And lower down. 2 more. Lift up, straighten arm. And lower down. Last one, please. Lift up, straighten arm. And lower down. Brilliant. And let go all the way down. Bring the forearm to the side of the shoulders. Push the floor away, round the back, curl the pelvis under for your rest position. And tuck the toes under for me, please. A little up stretch position. Just a quick one. Send the pelvis up. Send the neck nice and long. Strong arms here. Lower the heels down. Take an in-breath. Exhale. Again, really try to reach the heel down to the floor. Exhale. 1 more. And bend the knee down to the floor. Sit the pelvis back again. And roll the spine up to a nice sitting position. And that, my friend, we are done. You are excellent. Thank you for completing the whole class with me. Wasn't that wonderful? I'll see you back on the mat tomorrow. Take care. Congratulations on completing the class. Well done. I'm Mira and I'm here to help you to look and feel your absolute best through Pilates. If you enjoyed this video, you will love my free Better Postures in 5 Days program. Click the first link in the comments and sign up. I will instantly send you a daily email with a 15 to 20 minute workout each day. This workout will work your whole body to help open, stretch, and strengthen your posture. Your spine and body will love you. Don't forget to like and comment with any question you may have about Pilates. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my free Pilates video. See you in the next class.